This camper van is the Strada H Plus. It's one of my favorite camper vans, and I'll explain to you why as we move inside. There's the cost, 93,000 plus, 636 centimeters long, so it's the long Fiat Ducato. Right, let's come in. And so you've got here a rear washroom, and so come to the back. There's the toilet, there's the shower, double doors to get into the washroom, and because the carpet's down you can't really quite appreciate it as being a washroom. Now the thing is, obviously the carpet's down for reasons of protecting the floor, because they're going to want to sell this vehicle once this trade fair is over. But for a camper van, this really is an enormous washroom. I'll close that, get a better feel of it. This here, there's magnets up there. You might have felt that there's a magnet there. You'll hear it as it closes. I'll close this one as well. Let's hope I don't get lost in here for the night. And see how much space there is in here. Yeah, I'll turn the camera around as well so you can see me. There's me in the shower. Look at all this space. Here we've got the, in Polish it's a paravan. I can't remember the word in English. If I've ever found out, write me down the word, because I'll have to try and remember. This plastic thing that stops the rest getting wet. There's stacks of space around here. Really good. Anyway, let's see if I've locked myself in. You can tell that the magnets are still pretty strong. Right, now, if you're going to be living in a van, you're going to want a bit of storage. This is a van for living in my opinion. Look at this. Stacks of storage there. There's your wardrobe. These things will come out if you want them to come out. If you don't want them to come out, then leave them. Boilers down there. We've got a fridge here. You see, it opens this way and it opens the other way as well. Very clever. Mind you, a friend of mine said to me, do you know what, Dometic make these fridges and open both ways. So yeah, they've been on the go now for about 4 years. More storage here. And here. And down there. You can see what I like. I like storage. Mind you, also like that somewhere to sleep. In this case, the sleeping is up here, but there's not much space between the bed and the ceiling. That means that you're not going to leave your bedding on there, so you're going to have to hide your bedding somewhere else. We've got more storage here, and look at all that space down there as well. Pretty good, eh? So here we've got the 2 burners and a sink and even more storage. So in my opinion, this vehicle is literally a storage wonder, as they say in German. There you have the net, mosquito net. I think you can see why this is one of my favorite vehicles. So what do you think? Do you like it or not? Is it the sort of thing you'd like to have? Oh, just a minute, I'm forgetting something, aren't I? I'm forgetting the next bit of storage, which I haven't shown you yet. I was going to stay in the van because of that racket outside. Look at all that space as well. Almost missed this out. Huge amount of space, knowing that this will actually move up, and if you want to put a bicycle or something there, there's your toilet cassette. Always best though to keep the cap on the toilet cassette, because it's somebody's helped themselves do it. So anyway, good. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found this interesting. And you can see why I like this vehicle so much, because I have all this junk to carry around with me. But for the moment, from me in Dusseldorf, thanks for watching.